What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So when you think of Corvette owners, you probably think of two different stereotypes. The first one being the boomer that waxes once a week and drives once a month. And the second being the adrenaline junkie musclehead that modifies the heck out of his Corvette, just loves going fast. Both of these stereotypes have something in common. They both love their Corvettes. It's a little known fact that Corvette owners love their Corvettes so much that they're the worst sellers slash buyers to deal with. Ed Bullion over at VinWiki made a video where he talks about how anybody who's selling a Corvette doesn't want to sell their Corvette and have the means to keep their Corvette, and so they're terrible to deal with and you can never find a deal. What do you do when you find a Corvette that was loved so little that it was abandoned? You freaking rescue that thing. It's not you, it's them. So I've known about this Corvette for almost a year now. It's just been sitting behind an old shuttle company in their back parking lot, just collecting dust. I was curious as to what in the world was the story behind that C5 Corvette. So one day, me and the wife came home from the store in the CTSV, and there was a man parked across the street, and as we got out of the car, he came up and he started talking to us and he asked if I had a spare tire he could buy for me. I didn't, I just had spare wheels, but he started talking about an old blue Corvette that was abandoned that the shuttle company was trying to get rid of, along with 6 other cars. The shuttle company was gonna sell him all 6 cars for $6 grand and then he was just gonna try and flip them. But he kind of had this dreamer mentality and didn't seem like he was really serious about this. But of course, $1,000 Corvette piqued my interest. And I called him up and I said, hey, I heard you're trying to get rid of a C5 Corvette in your back parking lot. I'd love to take it off your hands. That way you don't have to pay for any towing. And the guy was like, wait, there's a Corvette in the back lot? Let me call you back in an hour. The owner calls me back an hour later. I've got great news. You can have that Corvette and 2 other cars. I just need them gone as soon as possible. Come and get them. In order to make sure that these vehicles weren't stolen, I hit up a police officer and had him go check them out. And he called me from a restricted number and said, all right, I'm here. If any of these vehicles are stolen, they will be impounded and off this lot. So come back later tonight and whatever vehicles are here are yours to take home. So I just had to go and find out for myself and see if the Corvette was still there. Nope. Let's see what's all here. So there's the Honda. I see the Corvette and the Audi. They're all still here. Oh, this is so crazy. I can't believe that this is real. I genuinely can't believe this is real. So here's the Audi that they want to get rid of. Looks like it's an early 2000s. A little bit of damage on the front. The Honda Accord. And then the Corvette. And this is the weirdest. Oh my gosh, this has got the weirdest story to it. Let's check it out. It's so bizarre. It's crazy though. So I'm gonna try pumping up this tire. See if it'll hold any air. Those tires are so old. Look at that. It's like, they're so crusty. I don't think it's even gonna hold. It doesn't look like it's doing anything. Like, look, that thing has been sitting here for a while. You can see,
like literally ripped.
Yeah. Well, look, so look over there. See, that's where the tire has been sitting, and somebody rolled it like 2 feet forward.
Oh yeah.
No, I don't think this is gonna pump up at all. So okay, let's check out this old Honda. See how crusty it is. You know, the interior is not all that bad. That's not bad. What's up with this gas can? Why is this in the back seat? It's definitely, holy crap. It's like bulging out. That's crazy. Is that the freaking key? Is that? No way. There's no way in heck. If this is a freaking key, there's no way.
Real.
What's this say on it? Operating temporary. It is Kyle's car.
No way.
It's freaking Kyle's car.
Shut up.
This is Kyle's car. I know who owns this car. That's hysterical. Kyle, we found your car, and I'm gonna take it. Yo, Kyle. What did you do with that old Honda?
Wait, my Accord?
Yeah.
I sold it.
You sold it?
Yeah.
To who? For how much?
$500 to a high schooler.
To a high schooler.
Yeah.
Huh.
He said, I've been looking for this forever. So can I have this for $500? I was like, yeah,
Oh,
sure.
I had to replace my center carrier bearing.
from mobbing it?
Do you want your
Shoot.
old Honda back for free?
Yeah, do you want your old Honda back?
Do you
For
have it?
$500?
Do you still have a key for it?
No.
But
I
yeah.
gave him my only key. You actually have it?
So the same way I got that Corvette,
You have my Honda.
I have your
was
Honda.
there.
Yeah.
No
your
shot.
Honda's there, and the kid just abandoned it
Where?
at the shuttle, behind the shuttle place.
For real?
For real. So you can go get it back and do
works.
You can.
Why did he abandon it?
I have no idea, but it's abandoned. It's there. It's been sitting for a long time,
Good, I want to see it.
and now the guys are like,
I have to see it.
go get it. So
You can literally just go pick it up. You don't even have to talk to anyone.
That's
anymore.
insane.
It's already done it.
yeah.
So like this.
So yeah, if you want your old Honda back, it's there.
All right. Okay.
Yeah,
want
I'll
some
have it
freaking
back.
cheese? Now some freaking cheese.
You look great.
Goodness gracious. Oh.
So the Audi is a manual. That's cool.
It's
What in the world? Who just broke
Oh,
this?
that's hilarious.
crazy. Ew.
Ew.
This is a car that should honestly just be freaking
Junk.
parts. Yeah, this thing's cambered. 20 mil Husky.
Yeah.
Well, we got that off. Cool. We had to get one of my C6 wheels on there because this thing was. Look at this. Oh my god. Wow. We're just gonna be straight shot, straight to there. Okay, this is how far we got it up the trailer with just rolling it. So, man, look at this thing. Oh my gosh, it's disgusting. Looking good? Sweet. Yeah, Corvette on a trailer.
Need enough to set the brake or anything, or is it?
It's, it doesn't do, yeah.
Oh. Here it freaking is. The new project car for the channel. I believe it's a 2002 C5 Corvette, and it has the strangest story of when it was abandoned. You see that? It was abandoned on their honeymoon. So the story goes, they drove this from their wedding to the shuttle place, left it at the shuttle place, and never came back. The clear coat's been peeling off so much that there's missing chunks of where they wrote. So it has been sitting there for a very long time. Before any of you say it, no, I am not going to rally it. I'd be willing to bet that this car is worth more than that one. Guys, I am so freaking excited. I actually really love that it's a convertible. I kind of wish it was black, So first of all, this thing is hammered. It was abandoned and abused, been sitting and cooking in the sun for so long. But the strangest thing, I'm gonna guess that this car was owned by a girl. There are a lot of things in here that are very girly. Oh, it's so gross. There's stuff, girly stuff over here. A little heart pennant. I believe that's a little angel right there, if you can tell. But there's stuff from the wedding. There's this crazy like masquerade mask and flowers. And it is just so bizarre. Everything in here is also disgusting. Do you see that? This is a giant bag of sauces. Ketchup, sweet and sour sauce. What? So gross. And look at, oh my gosh, like look at how disgusting. I'm honestly baffled that they didn't clean this up more before they took it on their wedding. So strange. But the seats are in really pretty good condition. I'm being led to believe that a younger person owned this because I'm pretty sure that's a Pokemon beanie. I mean, an old person might have owned that, but I don't know. What is this? Why is there, it's just a rock. Why is there a rock in the front seat? Oh, frick. There's a cord that's way. Let's see if I can get to it. Oh, it's so gross. I can barely fit through this. Okay. This is definitely not comfortable. I can barely fit in here. Okay, right here. This. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, light. Okay, truck swapped. Holy crap. Jeez. Car cover for your super faded nasty. Oh, it's a tent. It's a freaking, yeah, it's a tent. That's so you gross. I'm guessing they were gonna, yeah, well, I mean, it's your wedding night, like, yeah, so fancy time. Is this, dude, I bet this is the shoes that she wore on the wedding. What in the world? Like, did they die? Did they get COVID in freaking Hawaii or something? Got a fancy schmancy belt. Ew, and we still haven't found anything with their name on it, with anybody's name on it. Bunch of shoes. I am guessing there's so much girl stuff in here. This was a girl's car. Yeah. Oh, but she was cool. Oh, it's pouring out everywhere. They're Roman candles. Chick stick pink smoke. Why is there a bunch of rocks? Ew, this is gross. I wonder. Ew. Ew. Marijuana. So this is just one of those cheap burner phones. So they bought a cheap burner phone to just have whatever. Huh. What is that? Oh wait, is this one of those salt lamps? This is totally a salt lamp. No way. It's gotta be a salt lamp. Yeah, that's actually pretty freaking cool. It's totally one of those salt lamps. We got a Hope beanbag thing. Man, I'm just waiting for we got a bra. This leads me to believe that they weren't going to come back. Like, ooh, yeah, that looks like they smoke a ganja. Don't do drugs, kids, because then you'll leave your Corvette at the shuttle. But it's definitely the newer 2002. This isn't on my Corvette, so it's updated. And look over there. So that's the heads-up display. So that's freaking cool. But oh my gosh. So the bones are here. They're good. They just need to be cleaned and loved a little bit. But overall, it's a great car. No, we are not going to chop the fenders and put big knobbies on it like that one. This is actually going to be my wife's car. We're going to restore it and turn it into a proper Corvette. Judging by the possibility, is this a Hawaii car? I was looking under here. Is that a Hawaii car? What is that? I have no idea what that is. You guys are probably wondering how much. 100%, we got the whole car for free. If we can collect the title, it's gonna cost us $7. Guys, let me know what you think of the abandoned Corvette. Pretty freaking awesome. I'm so stoked that we got it. I'm so excited to start working on it. The next video, we're gonna be detailing the whole thing inside and out, and I'm gonna spend a lot of man hours detailing the heck out of this thing and trying to get it looking nice, spick and span, both on the inside and the out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see some more cool videos, there's going to be 2 videos right here. This one is going to be a video just for you, and this one is going to be my latest video. So thank you so much for watching. Again, excited for the future of this Corvette. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.